is Layla. I'm the owner and founder of topfinancialagency.com. So I have a few people that were asking me about term, like getting different term comparisons. So I wanted to show you a portal that we have access to that you can just get a quote for term or even annuity. And it's really easy to give your client now, if you're an agent, to give your client a report that prints out all the different products and how much it costs. But then also, if you are a potential client, you want to have an idea of how much life insurance costs, this video is for you. So let me go ahead and show you this screen. Okay. So here we're going to start here at the top. I'm just going to let's start with a 30-year-old male. And let's do a 30 year for $500,000. Okay. And then you can either enter the health profile on this. So that will be more specific with his height and his weight, or just the health class. So we can do preferred non-tobacco, standard non, preferred. We'll just do preferred non-tobacco and then hit get quotes, and we'll do it by monthly. And so Corebridge, formerly AIG, tends to usually be the most affordable term product. So it's $37.84 a month. Then you have Symetra, Banner, Protective, Lincoln. North American has a few more living benefits. So I tend to like that product. Columbus also has more living benefits. There's also National Life Group, which isn't shown on this portal, but I think National Life Group is a really good product. It protects you against chronic critical terminal illness. So, and then you can download here so you can get a comparison ledger, detailed report, and you can easily email this to your client. Or if you are looking to get a term policy for yourself, let me know and I can email something like this to you based on your age. Now let's see how much a female costs. So let's change that to female. Let's keep it 30 years. All other inputs remain the same. We're going to get quotes. Let's change this to monthly. And $29.91. Females tend to be cheaper than male. Corebridge Symmetric, here's all the prices. It's about 30 some dollars a month. Okay, there you go. How about we increase the price, and instead of making it $500,000, let's make it 1 million. Okay, a million. Let's see, this is female 30. Let's get some quotes. Make this monthly. So it's about $48. I mean, $50 for $1 million worth of coverage. This is if you get preferred non-tobacco. I think that's pretty good. So this is just your standard uh, term. There's also permanent life insurance, which I really value. Permanent life insurance means it will last for the rest of your life. And there's different philosophies when it comes to getting permanent life insurance. A lot of people think just buy term and invest the difference. I don't have that philosophy. I think life insurance is for life. It's not called half insurance, half life insurance. It's called life insurance. So we're going to die at some point, and if we die when we're older, the life insurance, not only do we get to pass that down to our kids, but let's say you have a house, or they need to clean out the house, or if there's any taxes that have to get paid on, or any remaining debt, that will allow them to utilize that tax-free money to do all of that. But also with different types of life insurance, there's chronic, critical, or terminal illness protection. And in term policies, you can get that as well, depending on the type that you get. National Life Group, I enjoy. I have that. I personally have National Life Group. And whether you have term or permanent, you can get those living benefits as well. Some of these companies don't have the best permanent insurance, which means because sometimes you can, what is it, convert it. So you can buy a term and then convert it to a permanent. So those are some questions that you might want to have. Hey, if I decided to convert it in the future, what are those permanent products like? There's a company called Allianz. Allianz has the highest performing IUL on the market, and also you can even get a better rating. So if you're supposed to get a standard rating, they will give you a preferred rating. If you're supposed to get a center tobacco rating, they'll give you a preferred tobacco rating. That's something that they're doing. I don't know how long they're going to continue to do that. Probably do a video on them as well. So that gives you kind of an idea of how much life insurance costs. 30 years old is right in the middle. So once you get older, 40 to 50, then the numbers are going to vary. But this gives you sort of a baseline understanding of how much life insurance costs. Also, if you're an agent, if you aren't captive, and you want to have access to some of these research tools, and maybe you need a little bit more training than where you are, or maybe you don't want to be captive anymore. Maybe you want to get paid directly from the carrier. I came from a company that was captive. I came from a company that basically owned my book of business. So now getting paid directly from the insurance company is more important to me. So even though they own the book of business that I did, I still decided to move so that I can own my book of business, so I can be vested from actually day one, because the insurance companies are paying me. The insurance companies aren't paying the company who's paying me. No, I'm getting paid directly from the insurance company. So reach out to me, topfinancialagency.com. And also, if you haven't done your financial blueprint, meaning that if you don't know where the majority of your retirement is going when it comes to taxes, is all of your retirement in a tax deferred vehicle? Or do you have a lot of your retirement in a tax free vehicle? If you don't have a lot of your retirement in a tax free vehicle, then that's what you got to do. And I'll show you how to do that. And also, if you get a chronic, critical, or terminal illness, are you protected, or are you going to have to dip into your retirement for that? But if you don't know, and if you're not necessarily ready to do a financial consultation one-on-one, but you want to sit at home and figure out your finances and you need a blueprint to do that, head over to topfinancialagency.com/blueprint to download your free blueprint. And then once you're ready, reach out to me. We'll do a financial consultation. I can email you some quotes like this for free. Reach out to me anytime, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.